Hi, I'm Chris from Englewood. We met Russ from Home Renovation through a friend. We'd seen a lot of work that they had done before at the house. And we decided to get in touch with Russ to work on our projects, particularly our master bathroom. We've been looking for someone for a couple of years to work on that. Difficult to find someone you can work with, the right price and everything. We decided to have Russ do the master bathroom, our fireplace wall, and our powder room to start off, see how he did, and then maybe there'd be some more projects to come. So the fireplace wall is finished, and we're very happy with that. The powder room is completed. Work is in progress still on the master bathroom, and we'll be having him. We're having work on another 2 more bathrooms in the house, and maybe a couple of other projects after that. Russ is great to work with. Very concerned about the design, attention to detail. He's, really fun to work with. Puts up with making cardboard models for us to see how things are going to look before they're built. We enjoy chatting with him about cooking. A really great person to work with. I would recommend Russ and Home Renovation because Russ is great to work with. His attention to detail, the quality of his work, the ability to bring design and tell us when we're about to do something wrong, always able and easy to communicate with. So definitely get in touch with Russ at Home Renovation.